temperatures got gradually milder today after a rather cold morning. So let's see if we can look forward to more of the same tomorrow by going over to Roy Kwon Soa at the Weather Center. Soa, hello.
Hello, Tia, and good evening to all our viewers as well. Now, it finally looks like we have the coldest conditions behind us. Thursday will start off on a milder note, but it may look like a typical winter day in the morning because we do expect some snow. Now, this goes for the central and west coast regions mainly, so please be careful on your morning commutes. Now, total accumulations should be less than 1 centimeter, and the snow is predicted to let up before midday. Now, other than that, you'll have a mixture of sun and clouds in most parts of the nation. Meanwhile, the humidity level is very low these days. In fact, dry air advisories have expanded, and not only in the coastal areas, but also in the inland regions, so please keep that in mind as well. Now, as I said before, temperatures are going to be on the rise, but when we take a look at our chart here, we've still got negatives in the morning. Seoul and Daegu begin at -5 degrees, Gwangju and Busan at -3 and -2 respectively. Highs, however, all jump to the positives. And moving over to Daejeon, where the low and high should be 10 degrees apart. Jeju and Dokdo will be spared from the negatives, but totally different story for Mount Kumgang. Now, we're not far away from spring, but please beware of catching a late winter cold. And now for those watching from other parts of the world, here's the weather in some major travel destinations. While Beijing has gotten milder recently, Tokyo has gotten colder. By Thursday, they will feel similar, both making it to 7 degrees at the peak of the day. Islamabad drops to the high teens under very cloudy skies. New Delhi rises a few degrees with a bit of sunshine peeking through a fair amount of clouds. Taking you down under and to Perth, where it's going to be yet another scorching hot one, but hang in there because on Friday it's going to cool off. Sydney has some thunderstorms in store. Melbourne is heating up a bit. And let's take you over to North America. Rainy days are ahead in Vancouver starting this Thursday. Expect a bit of snow in Montreal, especially in the early hours. Chicago stays in the negatives with the sun staying hidden, while New York and Washington, D.C. will be milder with more sunshine. And plentiful sunshine in South America. This goes for Santiago, Buenos Aires, Rio de Janeiro, and even Sao Paulo for a change, so enjoy. Gusty winds are predicted to blow through Santiago, but they won't be enough to cool you off from the high temperatures. Skies in a vast area of Europe should be on the gray side this Thursday, especially in London. Paris and Rome should start off clear, but clouds should move in later on as well. And still mild in Madrid in the double digits, but some showers could make it feel a little chillier. And finally in Africa, it's Algiers with showers in the picture. Tripoli should be pretty breezy at times. Warm in all other spots on our map, ranging from 25 to 27 degrees. Now that's the forecast for now, but I'll be back with more updates after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, Soa. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.